How to enable gesture navigation on your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily enable gesture navigation on your Android device. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and make sure that your Android device is up to date. And once you have made sure that you are up to date, you need to first go over to the settings menu. Now on your settings menu, there are quite a few things. So typically your phone comes with these three buttons at the bottom of your navigation bar. The first one is the back button that will take you back from whatever screen you're in. Then the second one is home button, and then you have the recent apps. Now what I'm going to do is change this to other gestures. Go to display, and then from there you want to scroll down and find navigation bar. Tap on it. Now, as you can see, I have two options here on navigation bar. I'm currently using buttons, so if I want to use swipe gesture, I can tap on this. Then you can just go ahead and tap on more options and see how that actually works. So I'm using the typical swipe from the sides button. So if you want to go back, you can just go to the side. And then if you want to go home, you can swipe down, swipe up from the bottom, and swipe up and hold for recent apps. This one is pretty basic as most of the phones come with this exact gesture navigation in current days. Now, if you want to learn different navigations, you can just go ahead and see these animations right here on the screen. There is one other thing or one other option available for me as well, that is swipe from the bottom. So this one actually integrates the two options, the buttons and the swipe gestures. So actually what happens is you can find the button order down below. So this one is back button, this one is home button, and then this one is recent app buttons. So what I can do is to go back, I can swipe up from left. To go to the home screen, I can swipe up from the middle. And for recent apps, I can swipe up from the right side. And if you want to switch them, you can do that as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.